Hello all. Today we are going to discuss about the question named invalid tweets. Let's get into the question. Here you can able to see, right? They have given the table name tweets which consist of two attributes, tweet ID and content. They also given the sample input which consists of two rows. Here the question is you have to display the tweet which is invalid. The tweet will be considered as invalid if the length of the tweet is greater than 15. For example, in our scenario, tweet is a message. Here they have given the content, right? For tweet ID 1, the length of the content is 11 character. From the for tweet ID 2, the length of the content is 33 character. So we know, right, that tweet ID 2 is invalid because the character was 33 is greater than 15. They also given the sample output. Okay, well think about the solution. Actually, we can able to approach this particular problem by using a built-in function, which is available in SQL. We can use that char length function. But there might be a confusion between length function and char length function. We'll just discuss about the difference, okay? Here you can able to see, right? Char length used to measure the number of character, where length function will be used to measure the number of bytes. But in English letters, each letter carries one byte. So all both the function returns the same value. Where in multi-byte character, for example, emojis or characters in some other languages like Chinese, Japanese, Tamil. So in these languages, each character carries different bytes. So here in this case, Carolyn returns the actual number of character, but length function returns the number of bytes. So in this case, there might be a difference. So we have to use char length for this particular problem. So we'll get into the code. Okay, here we know, right? We have to display the tweet ID, which was present in tweet table. So I have selected the tweet ID from tweets. Let's run this. Okay, it displaying all the tweet ID. But here we have to implement a condition. Where char length of what? The content should be greater than 15. Okay, we'll run this. Okay, it got accepted. Let's submit this. Okay, it got accepted. Okay. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so it will motivate me to post many videos. So, yeah, we'll see.